Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need Capcut application. After opening Capcut application, go to New Project. Now add your walking video of around 5 to 6 seconds. Now select Format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now click on the video and go to Style. Now swipe left and click on Freeze Frame Effect. Wait for a few seconds till it converts. Now your video is ready. You can also adjust the setting according to you. Now export your video and share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.